What is the beer culture in Mumbai? Gana bar in Mumbai.
Awareness की कमी है. People don't know what craft beers are in particular. That has got to do a lot with the microbrewery scenes here in Bombay. Craft beer revolution in India started way back in 2009-10. It was a place called Dulali, which is still there.
Yeah, I
There are a
know
lot of
Dulali,
Dulali tap rooms you would see in Mumbai. सोचो ये मुंबई से start हुआ, let's say महाराष्ट्र से start हुआ, but then somehow fast forward to 2024, we have very less microbreweries here in Bombay compared to what has happened in, let's say, Gurgaon or Bangalore. There are a lot of microbreweries in Pune, even in Hyderabad. Calcutta has some fantastic, microbreweries. But Mumbai, we haven't seen much of a microbrewery. There were quite a few, but then they all got shut. I don't know why.
It's also a hard liquor drinking crowd, I feel here.
See, यहाँ पे एक तो culture क्या है? I think the culture is more of a quarter bar sort of a culture. That is primarily because I think the price point that they have. Price point plays a very, very important role. People drink to get drunk. Yeah, so you would not want to spend too much money on beers. के साथ ये problem है कि you need to have a couple of beer to be able to get drunk.
Cost to high ratio is
बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा है. For setting up a microbrewery, you need a minimum of a 10,000 square feet of an area. Now imagine 10,000 square feet of an area in the heart of Mumbai.
That's mad.
Huge cost. So that is also a deterrent to the business, as I see, because beer कितनी महंगी बेच दोगे? I mean, as I said, beer is a very casual beverage. People would not want to spend too much. एक 240 रुपए का बडवाइजर हियर इन बॉम्बे इज स्टिल वेरी कॉस्टली.
प्रीमियम है.
प्रीमियम बियर में उसको कैटेगराइज करते हैं. अब वो मार्केट जो है देखो एक प्राइस पॉइंट पे चल रहा है. अब आप इससे ज्यादा महंगा कितना कर दोगे? ना इफ आई इमेजिन आई ओपन अ माइक्रो ब्रूरी ऑफ लेट्स से 10,000 स्क्वायर फीट ऑफ एरिया इन अ प्लेस लाइक जुहू और बांद्रा, आई वुड इजीली बी शेडिंग आउट समवेयर अराउंड 45-50 lakhs as a rent. There's a security deposit that needs to be put in, which is close to about, let's say, 4-5 months of rental. So just imagine the capex cost that is going up.
Yeah.
Kind of break even with your operation will need 3 to 4 months, 5 months. So 6 महीने का आपको running capital चाहिए. Now that all puts together, I think, makes the business very, very difficult. So Mumbai में, if you see, there are a lot of tap rooms. The Dulali has tap room. There's a brand called Gateway Brewing Company. They have some tap room. Effengut is doing phenomenally well, I guess. That's what I've heard in the market. धीरे धीरे मुझे लगता है कि जब ये more of a tap room market बनना शुरू हो जाएगा, so एक awareness automatically आएगी. I started my journey into craft beer way back in 2011 at Gurgaon. We faced similar sort of problem. लोग आके बोलते थे यार ये क्या पिला रहे हो, लस्सी जैसी ड्रिंक, because सी देखो मीठी वाली जो है ना वो बहुत ज्यादा बियर्स है नहीं. अगेन देयर इज अ मिसकंसेप्शन दैट साइडर्स आर आल्सो बियर्स. साइडर्स आर नॉट बियर्स. द साइडर्स आर cider. Cider is a different category. It is in between beer and wine. There's a sweet little space for cider, which is a fruit-based beverage. जैसे stout है, which is an ale, Indian pale ale है. And these are the beers that people drink a lot in European countries. But India में हमारा पहले ही नहीं है. जैसे हम लोग इंटरनेशनल बिटरिंग यूनिट्स में बात करते हैं कि बियर जो है वो 80 IBU की है, 60 IBU की है. बिटर बियर्स इंडिया में हमारे पहले नहीं है. I mean, most of the people, masses will not drink that. So we've seen that there is a sweeter side of notes that people actually started liking. Now Belgian wheats are selling really well.
Yeah, makes sense.
Because of it being a little milder in nature, and I think because of the flavors that it offers. Now Belgian wheat is a very interesting beer that started selling. Apple ciders were the only cider that we were, actually speaking, ciders are only apple cider. Apple based are the ciders. So ciders वही बिकना शुरू हुए थे शुरुआत में. Rest of the other beers were just there. I mean, stout टैप पे पड़े पड़े खड़ा हो जाती थी, या हम लोग पी जाया करते थे. IPAs भी कोई नहीं पी रहा होता था. कैसे बोलोगे, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है ना. अब लोगों को वो कहीं दिख ही नहीं रहा है तो कैसे होगा. उनको लगता था यार यू क्रिएटेड समथिंग ऑन योर ओन एंड नाउ इट्स अ फैड. कुछ भी बोलोगे तो थोड़ा ना पी लेंगे. यूज्ड टू फॉल बैक टू द बॉटल बियर. द पीपल दोज हु दैट टाइम वर वेरी वेल ट्रैवल्ड, जो यूरोप वगैरह होकर आए थे. द गुड़गांव आल्सो बीइंग दैट टाइम वाज एन IT hub. People used to travel to Europe, from Europe people used to come back.
So they're exposed to that culture.
उनका एक अच्छा सा कल्चर हुआ करता था टीम आउटिंग का. which is something that we have seen in Bangalore, Hyderabad, all those IT places. You go and see, लोग जो है team outing के बाहर निकल आते हैं. So when they come out with their European colleagues, they would eventually ask for क्या really beer पिलाओ. Now what happens is, now this is where interest level goes up. Now people say कि यार वो क्या पी रहा है, क्यों पी रहा है, तो मैं भी ट्राई करना चाहता हूँ. Because now he is also seeing कि मेरे को तो यूरोप जाना है. In a couple of months I'll go to Europe and I'll probably. I think that's how culture started building up in these cities. धीरे धीरे करके वो grow किया, और वो grow इसलिए भी हुआ, I think because of the overall experience around the crafted beer that people started building. Now you go to microbreweries in Bangalore, and Bangalore is massive.
Craft beer culture is huge.
See, the places are huge. If the place is as huge as, let's say, I can name a couple of, I think there's a big brewski, there's another place called Iron Hill.
Just a big space.
They are huge spaces, huge spaces. They are somewhere around 2,000 seater, 1,800 seater, something that you and me cannot even imagine sitting here in Mumbai.
Right.
हम तो छोटी छोटी जगहों में बहुत खुश हैं यार. ये तो 1800 2000 सीटर माइक्रो ब्रूरीज की बात हो रही. Now suppose you open as massive as this as a project, obviously you're a talk of town. People would want to go to this place. Now the overall experience around it with nice, ambience. Then there is a fantastic music playing at the live music sessions. There are big match screening happening. Then they have pond kind of, there are ponds within the
architecture.
Yeah, part of the architecture. So ये सब मिला जुला के, then you are seeing pretty faces, good people around you, great food. Slowly and steadily there is a increase in awareness which is happening.
Right.
So which happened in these cities first. वहाँ पे धीरे धीरे इसके adaptation हो गया. I think Gurgaon also picked up that way. So Mumbai has lagged behind a bit in this entire space. But then अभी क्या हो रहा है ना? We opened first tap room in Dombivli. Now people said don't go there. There is no market there, and we precisely wanted to go to a place which was upcoming and has a high aspirational value. After tea and coffee, I believe beer is the third beverage that people drink the most. So इसको भी हमने सोचा कि क्यों नहीं कैसे सेटअप में डाला जाए जो कि let's say Starbucks of crafted beer. Yeah, you have. So then we kind of were very clear कि ये करने के लिए आपको varieties होनी बहुत जरूरी है. You need to have some more varieties under one, roof.
Can we do a tasting while we talk about this?
Yeah, we can do that. So that is why you see we have close to about 13 beers on tap. There are fantastic breweries across Maharashtra that, I mean, जो बहुत अच्छी beers बना रहे. So we have a tie-up with them.